Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we have another episode of the West Ham Rebuild, United Rebuild. This will be episode 5 of the West Ham United Rebuild, so let's get into it. First, let's open this. See? Let's see, spotlight anything, any good? No, nothing too good. So, last episode we did the Arsenal, we did all the way from Sheffield United, we did all the way to Arsenal. Today's episode we'll probably get from Leicester City, and probably maybe get all the way down to the Chelsea game. So, let's get into it. So, like I said last episode, this episode was not be really big. It's probably be like a transfer, like about the winter transfer window. But what I would do, since Antonio, he's already losing overalls. He's already a 75 rate overall. I think I'm probably gonna get rid of him and try a new young, just good value. So let's just try to find a good, decent. Maybe give it a 33. See, that's fine. Country, let's go to England. Ooh, so they are. Oh wait, I need to change the age. Sorry, I need to do 26. I find 26 would be 20 years old. Ooh, so that Mitrovic, Tammy Abraham, Rafinha, Steven Bergwijn. Okay, let's see. So Diego Jota. Okay, I think I might go for Diego Jota. Yeah, I think he looks fine. He's young. Yeah, so I'm gonna shortlist him and try to get a ideal. I'm trying to just see what is up with him and if he's gonna fit well with the team. So Noble, it's fine. I think as long as he's Noble, 61 days. Hernia? I don't know. Does anyone know what hernia is? Cause I have no clue what that is. I have no clue what hernia is. So I guess give a little tip. So if I have a Champions League game or a cup game, I would usually not do training. I'll just let the week go by and just do the training after the game. So this is, I'll show you, you guys probably don't really get it. So I'll show you, since we had a little break between Arsenal and Leicester, we had a week, so that's when the players can rest. But since it's only a 5 days between the Premier League game and the Cup game, I'll usually use training there to get the stamina back. So yeah, that's a little tip I have, or a little tip I learned. Let's go like that. Okay. Skin thing influenced the City. Ward? Oh, I forgot Kasper Michael got traded. Okay. Where's Soyuncu? Let's get into the game. Fernandes, Vardy, 2 yellow cards. Felipe Anderson, let's go. 2 goals. Pablo Fernandes. So our midfield's gonna need a little change. This guy, and then our left back, Chris Wells, can come in for this. 3-2, 4-2, Haller, 5-3, 6-3. Wow, that is crazy. Merritt's gonna have 4. Our defense did not do very well today. 6-3. So I can put us in 8th place. Let's go. That is. Oh wait. No, we're going to go to 9th. If Arsenal win, okay, good. So we're still 8th place. So I think we are tied with Arsenal and many other clubs. Let's just see who's the club player of the month. Panzini, nice. Team of the month. Fejcek, Noble, Pablo Fernandes. Hello on there. That's good to know. Job offers? No. I am bored. Let's see. Oh, upgrade this. Nice. Okay, so this is when I use training. Let's see. Players are growing. Declan Rice is almost growing. Suchek is growing. That's what I like to see. Oh, no, I cannot have this happening. No. This is not happening on my watch, guys. I do not trust my backup keeper because I've never used him. I can give him a little game time. So Randolph, I can give him a little game time. He's out for 3 games. These 3 games are very crucial. So see how he does. Declan Rice, Felipe Anderson. Antonio on Felipe Anderson. Playing a cam. Playing on Cresswell. Lanzini can come in. Let's take all right back. Stole some. No, Felipe Anderson. Very good. See how the handoff. Very good. Very good. He's 33. So he's probably gonna retire soon. Quarterfinals against Brentford, sorry. Okay. Come on, let's see. Okay, so that's our training facility. Okay, that's good. So here's a game against Brighton. So I think Merritt's still injured. One day, it's fine. I think Randolph got a clean sheet last game, so I think he's gonna be I think he's gonna be good. Sorry guys, this video is not sponsored. Like I always have to say, but it is not sponsored. Welbeck, Suchek. 2-1, we're losing 2-1. That's not good. I need to advance. Then Lanzini can come in. Losing 2-1. Tie 2. We lose to Brighton? We lose to Brighton, guys. This is not good. So Southampton win their game. We are not looking good. Oh, so he would not fit in well, so okay. So where's Steven Bergwijn? Let's shortlist this guy. FA Cup. Nothing to do with us for now. Southampton draw, so we're down to 10th place, I think. Yeah, it's kind of sad now. Randolph is injured, doesn't really affect us. I told you we're down to 10th place. It's fine. Cause I'm training them. People are going. Besiktas, Roma. Let's take a look at the continental cups. Champions League, Juventus, Chelsea, time, yeah, they're definitely going through. Borussia Mönchengladbach, that's a pretty easy group. RB Leipzig, Atalanta. Wow, that is Porto, Manchester United, or Atletico Club, Paris Saint-Germain. Wow, Man City topping it. Wait. Okay. Well, okay. This is weird. Lazio. I think makes sense. Ajax are a good team. Wow. Bayern. Barcelona, on the same group. Olympic Marseille. Oh my. What is this? Okay, this is weird. Let's see this. Villarreal, Sporting de Braga, Lille, Midtjylland, Arsenal definitely top on their group. Roma, Besiktas, Tottenham, Bayern, Galatasaray. Okay. Leicester City, Moscow, Dinamo Zagreb. Oops. Napoli. What? You expect like these teams? Wow. Okay. That is crazy. So this is probably our last game. So Medic's back in action. So let's Zuchik. Oh, I forgot he's gonna be out of this game. Since Dawson can play, Dawson, Amiron Frazier, very good team. Dubravka, Wilson, St. Maximin, Antonio Halle, scored 2-1 at halftime. So, David Anderson needs a little break, so we're watching Real Bowen. That's probably the only change. I should make use all my changes to my full advantage. Let's change out the full attack force. Concubus. Let's go 2-1. Let's go. Okay, I like that. Let's just sim to Monday and let's see where we are. Tottenham Brighton draw. Wow. Let's see this last message. Diop. Okay. Week. So we finish this episode on 8th place, tied with Fulham. That means we are in for, I'm pretty sure, Europa League football. So thank you guys for watching today's episode of the West Ham Rebuild. Today's episode for sure was episode 5. So hope you guys see you tomorrow for tomorrow's episode of the West Ham Rebuild. Bye.